Hey everyone, Luke Jarman here with another Palo Alto Networks Power Up session. Today I want to discuss protecting legacy applications from credential theft. Now, while most legacy applications have been migrated to some sort of cloud variant now, there's still several very good reasons why some legacy applications must remain. But this does present a potential security issue. Legacy applications don't have support for modern day authentication mechanisms such as MFA or multi-factor authentication. Therefore, if passwords or credentials are compromised in some way, this then leaves that application very vulnerable to attack. And because these applications are critical to the business, that's then a very high value target for an attacker. So what I'm going to demonstrate here is a feature of the next generation firewall known as authentication policy, where we can add MFA support to a legacy application. So on my screen here, I have a login prompt to my legacy ERP system, and I've just configured the firewall to have MFA support. So if I now restart my session to this legacy application, I'm going to be prompted to authenticate outside of the application itself, right? So this is now the firewall acting as a captive portal to add that additional layer of security. Now, the firewall is now going to tell me that I'm getting a push to my phone, and hopefully my virtual background cooperates here, and you'll see the push that's hit my phone. You can see that. So I've hit approve. Now the firewall's happy that I've authenticated. So I'm going to restart my session to my ERP system, and I should be presented with a login prompt, and I am. And the really unique thing here with Palo Alto Networks is this is just a feature of the next generation firewall that's built in out of the box. There's no additional help or products required here to get this working, which is fantastic. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to know more about protecting legacy applications from credential theft, please head over to our YouTube channel. Or if you'd like to see an upcoming live demo, please sign up using the links in this post. Thank you.